Allo is a smart messaging app. It learns over time to make conversations easier, more expressive, and more productive by bringing all the richness of Google right into your chat. Allo is based on your phone number, so you can easily get in touch with anyone in your phone book. We designed Allo to help you express yourself and keep the conversation going. So, of course, there's a great selection of stickers, which we've sourced from independent artists and content producers from around the world. But expression is more than just emojis and stickers. So we've added more features that help you say what you mean. First, let's look at Whisper Shout. We wanted to give you a way to add more emotion to your words. Sometimes you want to get your point across big and bold. Other times you want to say things a bit more softly. Whisper Shout lets you express how you really feel by making your replies very big or very small. Amit, can you show everyone how that works? So, Amit has typed yay and throws a smiley face in there. Now watch, rather than tapping the send button, he slides it down to whisper and slides it up again to shout. So down to whisper and up again to shout.
Jump enables any creator to capture the world in VR video, video that you can step inside of and make it available to everyone. It has three parts: a camera rig with very specialized geometry, an assembler which turns raw footage into VR video, and a player. Let's start with the camera. So the rigs that we've built, they include 16 camera modules mounted in a circular array. And you can actually use off-the-shelf cameras for this if you want. And you can make the array out of basically any material. We've made one out of 3D printed plastic, one out of machined metal, and for good measure, of course, we also made one out of cardboard. And it worked. What's critical is the actual geometry, and we spent a lot of time optimizing everything: the size of the rig, the number and placement of the cameras, their field of view, relative overlap, every last detail. And we seem to be losing the slides here. Every last detail. And now what we want to do is share what we've learned with everyone. So just like we did with cardboard, we're going to be opening up the camera geometry with plans available to everyone this summer. So anyone who's motivated will be able to build a jump-ready camera. Now, of course, if you're a pro and you've done filming with multiple cameras, you know that it's kind of complicated. You need synchronized recording, exposure control, and so on. And so we thought it would be good if someone who really knows how to build a great camera could help out. So we called our friends at GoPro. And today, I'm excited to announce that GoPro plans to build and sell a jump-ready 360-degree camera array.
Think of Ara as a versatile computing platform, one where development of each element is paced by the limits of our collective imagination and the capabilities to build new amazing things. This is the Spiral 1 prototype. We could switch to the shoulder cam. There you go. This is the Spiral 1 prototype. It uses FPGAs to implement a packet switch network on device using the industry standard MIPI Unipro protocol. It also has a flexible power bus that allows any module to be a power source, a power sink, or a power storage device. And it supports, in limited fashion for now, the hot swapping of batteries and other modules.
We're really excited to unveil Nexus Q. It's a small Android-powered computer that's designed to live in your home. It plugs into the best speakers and TV in your house, and it's always connected to the cloud. Nexus Q tightly integrates with Google Play, so you can easily stream music and video. You use your Android phone or tablet to control it, but you're not actually streaming content from your device to it. Instead, Nexus Q pulls your content directly from Google Play. So, in other words, you use your phone or tablet to control the cloud. Now, before I show you how this works, Matt's going to tell you about all the design and engineering that went into creating Nexus Q.
Thanks, Joe. When we started developing this product, we wanted to build something really special, not just another black box. The industrial design is totally unique, and what we've managed to put into this small sphere is nothing short of incredible. The heart of Nexus Q is an OMAP 4460, which is the same chip used in Galaxy Nexus. It also has a state-of-the-art audiophile-grade amplifier built right in so you can hook your speakers right up. And at 25 watts, this small sphere can really fill a room with beautiful, clear, crisp sound.
You've seen some really compelling demos here. They were slick, they were robust. This is going to be nothing like that. This can go wrong in about 500 different ways. So tell me now, who wants to see a demo of glass? I see you and friends are pretty close by there. Any chance we can get a little view out the window?
Heck yeah. Yeah, it's beautiful up here. We had a visual on Moscone a minute ago.
All right, this is a hangout from glass.
Whoa. Look at that.
It's a little bit tricky landing on a building, as you might imagine. I don't know if you ever tried this kind of thing before. You can see all their perspectives now. They're going to have to line up one after another to get down to the roof here. It's a little bit of, it's a pretty big roof actually, which is great for their landing. And you can see there's a little yellow arrow that they're aiming for. You know, it's pretty exciting. Hopefully they land it. All right, and they're coming in. First one's coming in. All right.
We're going to show a demo today of a product that we've been working on for a couple of years down in Sydney, Australia. It's called Google Wave, and it's a communication and collaborations tool that we're launching later in the year. We asked ourselves the question, what might email look like if it was invented today? Okay, so we'll start with plain vanilla email type conversations, and we'll show you how it looks in Wave. We're planning a boat trip, and I'm going to start by clicking New Wave here, and then I'll type my title in the first line.
Watch your spelling, Lars. There's a lot of people.
There is a lot of people. They can't see what I'm typing anyway. Are you ready for the boat trip? Hey, Steph. Did you guys like the spell checker? Okay. We'll talk more about that later. Since you don't want to watch me type for an hour, we put canned messages in there. We'll try hard to pull them out before we launch. I click done. It asks me for more users. I'll add Stephanie. And since she is offline, I'm going to go stare at a blank page.
So I will open Wave. And you'll see in my search panel, the middle panel, there'll be an unread message from Lars. He's asking me if I want to go shopping before this boat trip, so I'll do something very email-like, which is hit reply and say, I love shopping.
I wrote the script.
I need new fins. Let's go. The first benefit I want to show you of this being a hosted conversation is it's easier to keep track of structure. If this was email and I wanted to reply to the middle part of Lars's message where he asked which bus to take, I would hit reply, the email client would copy the message, and I'd hand edit in the response.